In this video, I'm going to show you how to rasterize a layer or an image in Photopea. First, head over to your Photopea project. In many cases, you may be working with elements such as text layers, vector shapes, or other types of layers that are not directly pixel-based. Because of this, certain editing actions, such as painting on them with the brush tool or applying some effects, may not work until the layer is converted into a rasterized layer. Sometimes when you attempt to perform such an action, Photopea will automatically display a message asking for permission to rasterize the layer. If that happens, you can simply click OK and the layer will be rasterized automatically. However, there may be situations where this message does not appear and you want to rasterize the layer manually. To do this, go to the Layers panel on the right side of your screen and locate the layer you want to rasterize. Right-click on that layer to open the context menu. In this menu, you will see an option called Rasterize. Simply click on this option and the selected layer will immediately be converted into a rasterized layer. After rasterizing the layer, it becomes pixel-based, which means you can now freely apply tools such as the brush tool, eraser tool, filters, or other pixel-level edits without restrictions. This is especially useful when you want to modify the appearance of text or shapes in a more detailed way. In some cases, you may notice that the rasterize option is grayed out and cannot be clicked. When this happens, it usually means the layer needs to be converted into a smart object first. To fix this, right-click on the same layer again and select Convert to Smart Object from the menu. Once the layer has been converted, open the menu again and you should now see that the Rasterize option is available. You can then click Rasterize to convert the layer into pixels. This method works for many different types of layers, including images, shapes, and text layers. Whenever you need to perform detailed pixel editing, rasterizing the layer ensures that all editing tools will work properly. And this is how you can rasterize a layer or an image in Photopea.